Okay, this will be a double complete pull, okay, to gain more volume and for turbo shots like or lungo shots. Okay, we use a bigger cup there, 0.0. We are 82. Okay, watch for the airbuster. Okay, I don't know where to hold this one. Okay, Prempius. Oh, you can see that. Can you see that? Oh, there's a cup. Okay, too tight. Okay, anyway, let's do it. This one is 6 bars, not a turbo shot. Seven. Oh. 7. Too tight. Okay, I'm 28.5, 29. Then I will do the next pull. You see, they're buster down. So no sucking. Again, water entered and blocking the air buster. No, this will be pull. 40. 50. No, I'm already full. 60. 70. 74. 75. I'll show you. Where? Can you see that? Where? 77.7. Full cup. Then we'll save this one. And let's try to, automatically it shuts down. Also, we can remove immediately because this is already down. That's the indicator. Okay.